I saw your question on the discussion board. The speed of some second graders is approximately normal, mean of 89, standard deviation of 10, completes the following. So your question is about this part here. They take a sample of 22 here. The mean of the sample is the same as the population, which is 89. The standard deviation of the sample is population standard deviation of square root of the sample size. So 10, standard deviation for the population. The sample size, is given 22, so 2.132. So I put these, brought up StatCrunch in a, normal calculator, and I put in the mean and standard deviation, which I calculated. And so you want a mean reading speed of 91. It's not unusual. So, 91 or more, put the greater in there, click compute, you see, and I get that 0.1623. Of course, that's more than 5%, so that's why it's not unusual. You were asking how to get that number there, and I'm just using StatCrunch, letting it do the calculations. Hope that helps.